As of 2026, renaming your Apple AirPods is a simple yet useful customization feature. Instead of having all your AirPods show up as the generic Your Name Set AirPods, you can give them unique names like Commute Pods or Gym Buds. This helps you easily identify them in Bluetooth menus, Find My, and when connecting to different devices. This video will guide you through the straightforward renaming process. Before you can rename your AirPods, make sure they're properly connected to your iPhone or iPad. Open the Settings app on your device. Once in Settings, tap on Bluetooth. Ensure that Bluetooth is turned on. Open your AirPods case near your device. If they aren't already paired, a prompt will appear on your screen to connect. Once paired, you'll see your AirPods listed under My Devices. Once your AirPods are connected, go back to the Bluetooth settings menu. Find your AirPods in the list of connected devices. Tap the eye icon, the information icon located to the right of your AirPods name. This will take you to the specific settings for your AirPods. In the AirPods settings, you'll see an option labeled Name. Tap on it. This will allow you to edit the current name of your AirPods. Use the keyboard to enter your desired new name. You can use up to 63 characters and even include emojis. Once you're happy with the new name, tap Done on the keyboard or simply tap outside the text field. One of the great features of renaming your AirPods is that the change automatically syncs across all your Apple devices connected to the same iCloud account. This means you only have to rename them once on your iPhone or iPad, and the new name will appear on your Mac, Apple Watch, and other devices. Make sure iCloud is enabled on all of your devices for seamless syncing. If the name change doesn't immediately appear on all your devices, start by turning Bluetooth off and then back on. This refreshes the connection and often resolves the issue. If turning Bluetooth off and on doesn't work, try restarting your iPhone or iPad. This forces a complete refresh of all connections and settings. In rare cases, you might need to forget the AirPods and repair them. Go to the AirPods settings menu and tap Forget this device. After forgetting, reconnect your AirPods as if they were new. Open the case near your device and follow the pairing prompts to complete the setup. For power users, the Shortcuts app can be used to automate renaming based on specific triggers. While not an official feature, this workaround allows you to create custom shortcuts that change your AirPods name when you arrive at a certain location or at a specific time. Search online for AirPods renaming shortcuts to find community-created examples. Renaming your AirPods is just one small way to personalize your Apple devices. As Apple continues to integrate AI, expect more intelligent suggestions for AirPods names based on your usage habits. Renaming also helps track recycled or secondhand AirPods, aligning with sustainability efforts. Stay tuned for future updates that might further enhance the customization options for your AirPods.